Next, I will show you how to replace the screen. The first step is to unscrew the 2 screws on the side of the panel. Open the front cover. After opening the front cover, unplug the power terminal. Unscrew the 4 fixing screws. Remove the screen that needs to be replaced from the front. Take a new screen and install it in the socket. Install from the front. Be careful not to install the screen upside down. After putting it on the screen, hold your hand against the screen to prevent it from falling. Align the screen fixing holes with the fixing buckles. Tighten the 4 set screws. Just plug in the power terminal and you're done. Finally, install the front cover. Just tighten the screws. Screen replacement operation completed.